Mr. Bicketts Science Class YouTube project featuring volcanoes. Victoria,
Lorenzo.
Cash,
and Dominique.
Lorenzo, you can take this.
Thank you, Victoria. Before we start, I would like to go over some key terms that will help those who don't know what a volcano is, and to refresh the minds of those who fall asleep during Mr. Bicketts' class. Sorry for any truth spoken about a teacher. I did not write this script. God did. Our first term is crust. Now, crust is the outer layer of the earth lying above the mantle. Lava. Lava is molten magma expelled onto the Earth's surface through volcanoes or fissures. Magma. It helps to know what magma is before lava. So magma is molten rock originating in the Earth's mantle and crust. What's a mantle? Well, a mantle is the layer of the Earth between the outer core and the crust. Plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is the theory that the Earth's lithosphere consists of several semi-grid plates that move relative to each other. And a volcano. What is a volcano? Since that's what we're going over, I'll tell you. A volcano is a vent or fissure in the Earth's crust through which molten magma and hot gases escape. The different types of dormant volcanoes are fissure volcanoes, basic shield volcanoes, and caldera volcanoes. Different types of active volcanoes are ash cinder volcanoes, composite volcanoes, and dome volcanoes, which you will see erupting before your very eyes shortly, I promise. Volcanoes commonly form along the boundaries of crustal plates. Most volcanoes lie in a belt, such as the one that I have on, and it's called the Ring of Fire. Freaky, isn't it? Fire. Now, non-explosive volcanic eruptions mainly occur where crustal plates pull apart. The most violent eruptions take place where plates collide. Volcanoes that erupt frequently are described as active. Those that erupt rarely are termed dormant. Those that have stopped erupting altogether are extinct, such as the dinosaurs. As you learn at school, they went extinct years and years ago because a huge rock from outer space came crashing into the Earth. So they tell us in Mr. Bicketts' class. If it's true or not, I don't know. Active volcanoes are located in Chile, Colombia, Russia, Ecuador, and Mexico. Maybe this is why these countries have such high crime rates. Think about it. Who in their right mind is going to fly a chopper through ashes. You need helicopters for their extra bright searchlights. Now, I'm going to show you the inside of a volcano. Here you can see the mantle. Above the mantle is the Earth's crust. This huge pond-like under the ground is the magma chamber. The magma from here rises and spews outside of the volcano. It rises between rock made of cooled lava. The lava comes down while the ashes and gas go up. Now, a dome volcano. As you can see here, the vent, which goes down. These steep convex sides are caused by thick lava cooling quickly. A little bit of lava comes out again, again, and again, hardens up, and it makes the volcano bigger. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Please do not try this at home, especially in your grandmother's basement with new carpet. Here we go. Oh my gosh.
Oh no!
It's gonna explode!
Oh no! Ah!
Ah!
There it goes! Ah! It's exploding! It's exploding!
Oh my gosh!
It's exploding!
It's over!
Oh my gosh!
The end.